Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am not my normal self today. I'm actually cosplaying Princess Allura from Voltron. As you see on the title, this is going to be a little tutorial on her look. It's honestly very simple, very easy, and she's becoming a comfort cosplay very fast. I really love Allura. She's regal and beautiful and so powerful. We love a good girl power story. So if you want to see how to get this look right here, then keep on watching. Alright guys, just popped in my blue eye contact since Allura's eyes are blue and my wig cap to get ready. And now I'm just using my concealer to block out the color of my brows. You can block out your brows if you want, but since I was just doing this a little temporary quick thing for TikTok, I decided to just use concealer. It works fine. Now going in with this cream paint from Wet n Wild and putting white in my brows and really defining the brow with that. Since Allura's eyebrows are white, I needed it to be really pigmented, and now with the wipe, just cleaning up the brows and adding some foundation. Finally, my Wet n Wild foundation. I love this stuff. Typically prefer to blend out my foundation first with the brush and then go in with my beauty blender from some extra blending. I got this brush from my BoxyCharm and I really love it. Now just going in with my Milani Conceal and Define Concealer just to, add some coverage and some lightness into those areas. Start brightening it up. Now with that cream white that we used earlier, I just wanted to brighten it up just a tiny bit more to bring out these features since Allura's face is very prominent. Now just going in with my Coty Airspun on a brush to set just the under eyes and my nose area. Taking Ouch from the Blood Sugar palette, and I love using this as bronzer, so I'm just using it to bronze up my skin. Now with that same shade, just putting it in the outer corner of my eyes and making sure to keep it really focused just on that outer corner. It really is just to give a little dimension to the eye and not much. Here I'm taking a darker shade of brown and just putting that in the outer corners just to give a little bit more dimension. Off camera, I added some liner and some lashes and a little bit of blush. And here I'm just adding a bit more just to give that rosy pink dusting. And then, of course, using my beauty blender to blend it out. And, of course, can't miss with the highlight. Using my Becca Champagne Pop. Oh, look at that glow. That was a little intense. I'll need to blend that out later. Putting on my nose, my cheekbones, my forehead, and my chin. Here I'm taking some acrylic paint to do the little crescent moon things that Allura has on her cheeks. These are honestly very difficult to do, and my best advice is to just do them, and honestly, it's okay, clean them up, sisters not twins. Alright guys, this is the final look for Allura. What do we think? I got my little ears, everything going on. This is a very casual cosplay. Obviously, I don't have her paladin outfit or anything of that sort. But you know what? It's okay. We make it work. I think it came out really good, and she's very natural, representing Altea. I really like this cosplay, and it's becoming a comfort cosplay very fast. I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Appreciate you guys so much. Like and subscribe, do all that jazz. Comment down below who your favorite Voltron character is. And make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. TikTok isn't going anywhere, so keep following me on those are my 2 major platforms. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. I love you all. See you all next time. Bye.